Hello guys, and welcome back to AppWiz. I'm going to teach you how to unlock and increase your FPS on Roblox iOS and Android. This will help you if you have lag or low FPS. So first, I'm going to show you how to do it on Android. So the first thing you need to do is get on your Android device. Once you have loaded into a game, click this Roblox icon. Click on Settings, scroll down. Once you're in Settings, switch your graphics to manual by clicking this button right here, and then go to this minimize arrow and make it 0. Alright, and now you can leave the game. Go ahead and open up your settings. Scroll down to About Phone, and then go ahead and find the device. Build number, click. That 5 times, it's going to enable developer mode. And as you guys can see, I already have that enabled. Then you guys are going to go ahead, scroll down, click on System, click on Developer Options, scroll down and change all of the animations to 0.5. So all 3 of these right here go to our Sayest graphics driver per reference. Find the Roblox, click on it, and change it to Systems, Graphic Driver, or any other graphics driver other than default. Then the last step is going ahead and downloading this game. Booster, this app has tons of positive reviews and helps a lot with increasing FPS and fixing any lag issues that you might have. All right, now for our iOS device. You guys are going to want to open up Settings, scroll down until you find Accessibility, click on Accessibility, click on Motion Click, on Reduce Motion, then go back. Do Display Text Size, do Reduce Transparency, increase Contrast Color Filters. Color filters turn on. Turn the intensity up to max, if it is already, and change it to blue-yellow filter. It is going to make your phone run smoother because it is using the easiest screen colors to run and is also no longer having to create complex animations for your phone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.